Hello. Thank you for joining me at Burton Yoga Studio for the pose of the week. The pose for this week is the standing figure 4. First, bring your mind to a peaceful place if you're able to. Breathing gently. And then rotate your head in whichever direction you want to start with. Inhale as your head go up and exhale as your head come down. And then in the opposite direction, doing the same. And then rotate your shoulders. Inhale as your shoulders go up. Exhale as your shoulders come down. Gently breathing. And in the opposite direction. Then we're going to do the figure 4. When you're able to, make sure your posture is well. Pull up your navel, pull up your tailbone, separate your shoulders from the ears. Give yourself a gentle wiggle, not locking your knees. And then you're going to stand on one leg, whichever one is comfortable for you. And then you're going to bring the other leg up into a 4. And hold it, lengthening your spine and breathing. If you want to be a bit more challenging, you can lift your arm and hold it and breathe. You can do this as long as you like or as short as you like. And then bring your arm down and your leg down. Give yourself a gentle wiggle and breathe. Thank you so much for joining me for the pose of the week. Namaste.